Today is World International Mother Language Day and also my birthday. Yeah, that's my account number. Anyways, if you don't know how to speak Igbo yet, we have a class starting today that you can join. Visit igbowithprince.com, sign up, and we'll see you in classes starting in a couple of hours. So you have opportunity to sign up and be a part of the class. It's amazing. The results are remarkable. For those who are not able to do that, we have something for you that you can start using today to start improving your Igbo no matter where you are. It's a simple exercise that you can do easily anywhere you are without guidance. That is, learn 3 activities that you do every day. Your 3 activities may be making coffee, having your bath, eating breakfast. Learn the 3 of them. Then you learn to express this in Igbo. And every time, every day in the morning when you do those activities, say them in Igbo. Say what you are doing. Say, I am eating and I'm a rinri. I am having my bath and I'm a sahu. Say the thing you're doing as you are doing it. So your brain associates the action itself with the expression without having to go through the middleman, which is English. This reduces your translation time and makes the language use automatic to you. So the language is connected to the action itself, not a text. And so your brain is not thinking of translation when you want to express that action. When you have learned the first 3 over a couple of days, when you've done it for a week or 2 weeks and you've become very familiar, very fluent with those 3, you switch to another 3. And when you become very fluent with a lot of them, you want to now start doing the past tense. So in the morning, you say, I'm making coffee, I'm having my bath, I'm dressing up. Then in the night before you go to bed, you say, I made coffee, I had my bath, I dressed up. So you keep practicing the past tense. Just we acquired the present continuous tense, you keep practicing the past tense. I did this, I did that over a couple of weeks, days, until you get very comfortable using those. And the thing about this is that the skill you acquire in this one area translates to other areas of the language because you're acquiring the reading, the vocabulary, the phrasing, and pronunciation. All those skills will translate very excellently. And the words you use in 1 or 2 of these expressions will also show up whether you're talking about your car or you're talking about your day or you're talking about a vacation. And so the skill is not limited, even though it's niche. When you do it and you hone it and you become fluent in that area, it translates to other areas of the communication. This is something you can start doing today. And that is my gift to you on this special occasion of World International Mother Language Day, which also happens to be my birthday. Go to igbowithprince.com, sign up, and I'll see you in class today. Don't forget to come with your gifts. See you.